Hey, this is Marc Ebinger with Social Media Lead Force out here at another job site with Rene Martinez with Phoenix Appliance Repair. He's obviously one of our Social Media Lead Force clients.
And what are we gonna be doing here today?
Today we have a dryer maintenance. So we're just pretty much gonna disassemble the whole unit, clean it out, lubricate wheels, and verify everything is functioning properly.
What's the importance of that, Rene?
So you're gonna see increase in efficiency in the dryer itself. Electrical bill is gonna go down because it's gonna run properly, less noise, no squeaking, no banging around, get it all taken care of.
And also the longevity of the appliance, right?
Of course.
Because if you don't take care of your appliances, they're gonna
fail.
Yep, they're gonna fail. In great words.
So this here is a blower wheel. This is what pushes out the air for the unit. This is the motor, the idle pulley, and the roller wheels. These rotational parts of the unit can get built up with lint, hair, even clothing, and prevent the dryer from functioning properly. So it's important to clean this out often and get it maintained. Also, as you can see, there's lint on top of the heating element, which can cause a fire. This isn't bad at all, but if it builds up, it definitely can be an issue. So everything is typically when you buy an appliance, they're covered under a 1-year manufacturer warranty. So if it's within the 1 year, you should always contact them so they could take care of it on their dime. Past that point, you can always purchase an extended warranty on these units, and then you have to kind of deal with the warranty, providers. But yeah, we're always ready to take on any kind of challenge. So if you have an appliance that needs maintenance or repairs, you can always give us a call. All right, that's a success.